Hey, traders, wait, look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is wild. Flow is up like around 40% over the last 30 days. Can you believe that? It's trading near $0.04 right now. And I'm buzzing here because, hold on. The real thing, the thing that's really making me go, whoa, what is happening? Is the 24-hour trading volume. It's up more than 130%. 130. That's just, that's a lot of activity packed into one day. And now I'm sitting here thinking, okay, is this it? Are we actually watching the start of some big bullish momentum kicking in? Or, oh man, are we just walking straight into a trap before a pullback? I mean, it's that moment where you're like, is this amazing or is this terrifying? You know, we just posted our latest analysis on Patreon. Yeah, the whole breakdown, key support levels, potential price targets, all the stuff you want to poke at. And if you're curious, the tester plan is just $10. 10. It's like, hey, try it, see if it fits your trading style. No big commitment. Just dip your toes in. The link's down there in the description right below. Just look, it's right there. And hey, please do your own research. This is not financial advice, just me being excited, okay?